The second stage of vulnerability assessment involves the identification of potential issues. Now that the hosts have been enumerated, the scanner is able to identify vulnerabilities based on predetermined patterns and signatures. These will typically be established from the review of published vulnerabilities. Security researchers will post vulnerability information to repositories such as the Common Vulnerability and Exposures site. This information can then be used to create the patterns necessary to perform vulnerability identification activities. Out-of-date applications or legacy applications are always a security concern. These applications are typically abandoned by their creators, and as such, provide a great effort versus reward opportunity for attackers. For instance, if an attacker identifies a vulnerability associated with an unsupported and out-of-date application that is still widely used, they can be absolutely confident that their efforts to create specialized attacks will be rewarded over time. As such, it is important for an organization to identify and eliminate, or at the very least, highly segment applications that are out of date or no longer supported by the vendor. Vulnerability scanners will typically attempt to identify applications that meet these criteria. Misconfigurations are also a major security concern. Many vulnerability assessment tools will attempt to identify insecure configurations. In addition to the concern that we had with legacy applications, we also need to be aware of legacy devices and operating systems, which have the same flaws that the applications do. They are a highly desired target for attackers.